Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Charles Triagenda, and I am a staff engineer at InterDigital International Labs in London. Today, I'm going to present to you one of the use cases in the 5G Coral project, which is the adaptive 360-degree video streaming over the 5G Coral solution. Now, before I talk about the entire setup, I'm going to give you a brief background about the Viewport adaptive video streaming technology. InterDigital's Viewport adaptive streaming technology decreases the amount of bandwidth that you need to transmit 360-degree video by leveraging the user's orientation view, while at the same time maintaining the user's quality of experience. So how is this done? 360-degree video is decoupled into 3 segments, each representing 120 degrees of view. So at any one point, a user is looking at one of these 3 segments. What our technology does is only transmit the chunks, the 360-degree video chunks for that section in high definition, and all the other ambient chunks are transmitted in low definition. Theoretically, this can decrease the bandwidth by 2/3. I will now go ahead and explain the 5G Coral solution to this adaptive 360-degree video. In the 5G Coral solution, we have taken the monolithic 360-degree video application and decoupled it into a number of microservices. And each of these microservices is hosted at the data center, at the edge, or at the fog node, depending on its compute requirements. So for example, we've got the dash segmentation, which is a very compute-intensive task. This is hosted at a data center that in this setup is located 80 to 90 kilometers in NCTU laboratories in Hsinchu. The edge server is located here, and this does composition and segmentation, while the less compute task, the orientation service is hosted on a Jetson, NVIDIA Jetson fog node. Before I show the demonstration, I want to quickly show you all the equipment that we have in the shopping mall right now. I'll start with the cameras that are streaming the raw 360-degree video. We have 2 cameras in this shopping mall. One camera is over there by the entrance, and the second camera is by the bookstore. You may have noticed it as you were coming here. So these 2 cameras are streaming the raw 360-degree video to the server that is all the way in NCTU campus, which is in Hsinchu, about 80 kilometers away from here. And this raw video is decomposed through a process we call dash segmentation. And this is breaking down the raw 360-degree video into chunks and then tiles of different qualities, either high definition or low definition. The video is then requested by the edge server after it takes the orientation from the user that it derives from the fog nodes, and then it extracts only the tiles either in high definition or low definition based on the orientation of the user. So the edge server is located here. This is our edge server over here. The fog node, which is the NVIDIA Jetson, is over here. And in this setup, we have 2 clients. One is the Galaxy S9 Samsung phone, and we also have the Oculus Rift headset. So as you can see, if I change the URL stream, I am now streaming the source coming from the camera that's at the bookstore. So all this goes to the NCTU data center in Hsinchu and back again to the mobile phone. I could change the input, and this time we're able to present the stream that's coming from the camera at the entrance. I will now welcome all of you to try it out and ask me any questions that you may want.
What's the round trip time?
Between
here.
Between the camera and
Yeah. So, oops.
Put it this way.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah, so you got now the camera is
Okay.
pointing there.
Yeah.
So raise your hand. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oops.
Did you kill the app?
Okay, ready? Put your hand down. Okay, put it down.
Put it down.
No, it's recorded.
Yeah.
No, I saw the hand.
Feel free to try out the headset as well if you want to.
So this turn around. If you turn around, it turns around.
It actually, it's a better feel when you
this
put
way.
it, when you hold it this way and then you turn around that way. Yeah. Are there any questions?
Tell the guy on the other side to wake up.
Don't crash anything.
I want the toys. This is
Ah, here you go. Here. We can turn this way.
Wait, nothing. Oh yeah, I can see it. So what's the resolution of this?
It's 4K.
Okay.
Yes. So if you were to send all that and then bring it all back, you'd probably be using around 30 Mbps. But then our technology decreases it down to about 4 Mbps.
Okay.
Yeah, because we only stream only the section that you're looking at,
Yes.
not anything else.
Okay, so you didn't take another side.
No, the one that's coming about, it comes in low definition. So when you turn to that side, we
Yes.
take your orientation for that side,
Yes.
and then we give you that one in high definition and everything else in low definition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So your experience stays more or less the same.
yeah.
It only slight marginal changes
little
when you
bit.
when you're switching, but
Yes.
On the whole, it's almost as if you're getting all the raw quality video.
Yeah. Got
Okay. If there are no questions, then I will hand. Yes. Thank you all very much.